Hi, cutie. Mr. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Do you have the hiccups?
Why we come to you first?
Do you have puppy hiccups?
Which country did you come up with? You picked the Ukraine, and sorry, that is incorrect.
You are so cute.
You wagered 4,000, you dropped down to
You are so
Let's
cute.
move to your left now. Chris, over to you. You had 9,700, you were in second place, and you looked down. What is Kazakhstan? You are correct. And you will have 4,701. And that puts you in the lead by $1 as we come to Greg Buzzard, who wrote down